going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here at LAZYMAN Garage learning how to weld. Currently Leo's just laying some beads down. I already welded a couple little metal tabs to this piece of sheet metal. We're honestly just trying to get our practice in. This is our very first time welding, and I think we're both starting to lay down some pretty good looking beads. I'll show you them in a minute.
So you want your wire to be minimum that much. Keep the gun straight. Start welding. This right here is what stabilizes it, kind of like a gun. Because you can do your welds like that, or you can do it like that. So what you want to do is you want to weld slow. Go with it slow, all the way, and then you'll get one of these. Because you don't want to just go and like just weld one spot, because then you get these, which you're not doing spot welds right now. You're going to try to learn to, I don't know, lay a bead like that. So slow, really slow. Take your time. There's no rush.
Are these your recent welds? Oh, you went through on one, huh?
Yeah, so one,
but that
two,
one's pretty good.
3, 4.
So I think I did that one. Those were my first beads. These were my second beads. Don't ask me how that happened, but I am capable of laying really smooth beads, and so is Leo. So now, oh look, they all penetrate. Mine penetrate. I'm gonna start welding metal. Oh. These are our welds. This was my first like little metal piece that I welded to here. And which one was yours?
This one.
Oh, that was your first one? Oh,
yeah,
Jesus.
Yeah, there was, I still need practice on that.
But then that's your end result?
Yeah, these are the ones I tried after I failed on this one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, those are pretty good beads. And those are my beads. And then just all of our practice attempts.
This one's like the semi-last one. And then the last one right here. Just a little turd. You can see all the ones I try to lay going pretty flat.
Is that a hole?
No.
No?
That's like resin?
That's just the oil, yeah. Or the gas. Yeah, it's freaking awesome. We can weld now, guys. Damn. That's cool.
You pay my phone bill? Oh, that would have hurt. But I still would have ate that shit. It would have hurt you?
Snickers and some of the Tootsie Rolls. That was racist.
I literally gave him like 4 bags.
Si quema, no quema.
Ah!
That wasn't that bad.
Yeah, the Prius stuff is worse.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All you hear is scraping because you don't hear no motor.
Oh, that sounds good.
Alright. Like,
Dude.
he's like, what kind of beer do you want? I was like, I don't want no fucking beer.
Out the brochure.
What kind of beer you want? Oh, look at that.
Would you look at that?
This right here is the Logan R&R,
Uh-huh.
and it comes with the because you got to read it backwards.
Oh,
It
yeah.
comes with the DVD for the.
What the? Damn.
Yeah, you guys can take a look at them.
Dude. Look at the steering wheel. They show you all the angles.
That's not even the rarest one. The rarest one is that they have is has way more
Glass
pages
top.
in it.
Oh, the wheels. Look at those.
Dude, that looks so sick.
Damn.
That's like right out Initial D.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Oh, look at that clear corner on a CC headlight with the CC hood. Front lip with the front license plate cover. The tips. I'm so
Rip your
sad.
tips.
Rip my tips. Oh, look.
You say rate my tips?
No, rip.
I just said rate my tips. I was like,
No, his raking exhaust tips fell off mid-road trip.
Dude, I've had these. I have these. I want these now.
was that you in the bandana in the video chat? When you called me?
CR-X. Dang, I never noticed that.
Yeah. And then look at this. You got the Honda 1000 right underneath the Minty climate control. 88 style speedo with only 0.5 miles on it. And they reset the trip before the picture.
Its first gas tank.
Mm-hmm. First full gas tank, 1.5x. Oh, and look, 4 speakers for surround sound with the CRX embroidered seats. Honda OEM block off plate. And then, oh, these guys, the seatbelt extenders.
Oh, what the hell are those?
Seatbelt extenders, so when you get in, it's right there for you, and
That's
you're able
door
to.
seatbelt people things, huh?
Mhm. Dude, the seats, the confetti stripe.
All the different tops.
Okay, give me a receipt
Look
for
at the
this one.
red with the side markers, 1.6 valve, clear corners, minty sunroof.
So very close,
She's a beauty.
but so very far.
She's a beauty. It's like looking at porn, dude.
Dude, this is better.
Glass top,
Yup.
sunroof.
But see, that's what I
Glass
don't
top.
get. It's a glass top SI, but it has steelies on it. Like, you're really gonna disrespect the SI like that.
I guess they came different. Like there's the SI and then there's the SIR. Chair.
Yup. Tell you how much power you make out of factory. The length and width wheelbase of the vehicle. Look at this. The metrics of wheel to wheel, bumper to bumper. Man. Call Verno if you have any issues with your Honda. Remember, don't talk to strangers. Talk to people who know Hondas.
Is that what it says?
No, but
Just the fact that this book is backwards.
Yeah, no, it confused the shit out of me too.
This is cool.
you to collect all these?
Not that long.
You don't mind me asking?
No, not at all. You can find these on eBay. You can find these on like IBC.
Well, that's what I'm saying. 'cause,
And,
like,
that
I would
was, like-
think that they would come up and then disappear from the listing right away. You know?
No, like that was only $32.
Nice. Okay.
And there's a few dudes I know
Bro,
that are selling those for like $64.
Don't get me started on another money pit.
I like to buy things because I know like one day it will be worth something. So if I ever hit rock bottom, like you know, like bills are coming, I can sell these and make some money to pay the bills. That's the only reason why I do that.
What's up, guys? It's a new day. And I'm trying to learn how to paint. So my setup isn't much. I have this 1/3 horsepower 3-gallon. I have LAZYMAN's gun. And this is my very first time attempting auto paint. Ignore the incredible freaking runoff down there. That was me trying to figure out how to use the gun. But that's okay for a first coat. Main problem I'm having with this guy is that this is 3 gallons, meaning I can pretty much spray like that much of the fender, and then this thing needs to build up air pressure for another 10 minutes. So that's incredibly inefficient, and it's not really working out too well, but for a very first time painting, it's giving me an idea of what automotive paint is all about. But as for now, at least we have an idea of how to paint. I think we're gonna need a bigger compressor though.
Definitely. Just to eat, not to paint.
Hot dogs are good just for eating. But I don't know, guys. So far, so good. Like, if this was all an even coat of paint, like, of course you're gonna have orange peel, but that's not bad. Like, it's not a bad finish at all. Like, it looks like a couple more coats and that could easily be wet sanded, smooth. Ignore that. That was me learning. But as you see, when we go up, it gets better and better.
Bro, somebody's trying to sell a 15-gallon compressor for $280, and Home Depot has a 20-gallon compressor for $219.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll be smoking some good crack out here.
Okay, guys, but I think this is gonna wrap it up for this video. We've been hanging out with Lazy Man. It's been freaking awesome. If you guys don't know Lazy Man Garage, please go check out his YouTube. He's freaking awesome. He's local to me. He's not far at all. He's been basically our big brother mentoring us through all of this stuff. He's taught us welding yesterday, as you guys saw, and he set us up with pretty much everything we needed for a little baby paint booth mix. And we're trying our best here. The compressor is extremely hot. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We're just working on learning auto paint. I'm gonna paint my car, not with this setup, with the slightly upgraded setup. But hey, it's a start. This is the very first paint video. Just wait, we're gonna be
Beach.
Laguna Beach.
Yeah.
That's south, towards Oceanside where we were.
Damn, we might need to borrow a truck.
What happened?
This was trying to let a shop compressor go for 110. Stay tuned, guys.
I'm down for a shop compressor. Stay tuned, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. We might have a shop compressor next video.